How to integrate Webflow with Shopify. Hello everybody and welcome to our channel. Today you're going to learn how you can integrate Webflow with Shopify, so please watch till the end to properly understand the tutorial. And in this case we're going to make this process through Zapier.com, so please, you're going to find the description of this tutorial, the website and sign up links on Zapier.com. So basically, once you have created your account here into Zapier.com, there is a free trial where you can create until 5 apps. So if this is the only integration you need by now, this is gonna be like awesome because it's free by now. So you just have to click on the create Zap button, and then you have two options. You need to configure a trigger and an action. So let's configure the trigger. There we're gonna look for our app Webflow. Okay, there is an event. So each time you make a submission of a form, or you are creating a new order, or you are updating an order, let's suppose this is our event, and we may click on continue. You have also to log in into your Webflow, but from Zapier, to authorize Zapier to make the integration with Shopify. So by now I'm going to skip this step. You just have to click on continue and follow the steps to log in on Webflow from Zapier. Once you have done that, you must go into your action, and there you're going to look for Shopify. Remember that if you want to integrate Webflow with Shopify, this is kind of sad because at the beginning I told you this was going to be free. But if you want to integrate Shopify, your Shopify account must be premium. I mean, you're not going to spend any money here on Zapier, but on Shopify, your account must be premium. And now you must select the event. So each time you have updated an order in Webflow, I don't know, let's suppose you want to update a product here in Shopify, or any other event that is on the list and is convenient to you. Once you have done that, click on continue, and it's gonna happen the same. You must sign in into your Shopify account, but from Zapier. And once you have done that into your Webflow and Shopify, you are gonna integrate these two platforms. And that's how you can do it. That's how you can integrate Webflow with Shopify. Thanks for watching.